Hey guys, in this video I'd like to talk about a really important concept related to cryptocurrency that many people are confused about, which is Bitcoin mining. After this video, you'll have a better understanding of what Bitcoin mining is and how it works. So let's get going. So in the past, in order to get Bitcoin, you had to actually mine them. Today, you can do it, even though it's not an easy process and not necessarily profitable, but you don't really need to in order to have Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin or trade Bitcoin. But yet you need at least to get a basic understanding of this important mechanism and how it works. So let's explain what Bitcoin mining is. This is a decentralized computational process that serves two main purposes: transactions approval and creating new coins. The miners are computers that automatically solve mathematical problems, which helps in verifying Bitcoin transactions in the blockchain. Lots of different machines or computers using a mechanism called proof of work to approve that a transaction is valid. And only when there is a consensus about it, the transaction is being added to the blockchain. In return, the mining computers who are the fastest to go through this process are getting rewarded and compensated for their costs and efforts by receiving bitcoins, which were just created and can now be shared and distributed in addition to the current supply in the circulation. Now don't get confused by comparing it to gold mining. With gold there is a physical location and people are actually digging in order to get new pieces of the precious metal. With Bitcoin, however, the mining is virtual and involves with computers that need to calculate a lot of information in a very short period of time. By that, they also create transparency in the blockchain, as each transaction is only added to the block after it was proved to be a legitimate one. Another key element is that in opposed to gold, for example, there is a limited total supply of 21 million coins. This is the maximum amount that are going to ever exist in the circulation. These 21 million coins are being mined gradually over time. So far, almost 19 million were already mined, which means 2 million are left to be mined. However, the mechanism works in a way that slows down the pace as closer as it gets to the supply limit. As for now, every day 144 new blocks are added, which means a block every 10 minutes. With each block, 6.25 new bitcoins are added to their circulation. In addition, you might want to know that every 210,000 blocks that are mined, which roughly takes 4 years, the amount of new released Bitcoin is cut by half. We started with 50, then 25, then 12.5, and now 6.25, as I said. So considering all these factors, we can know that the last Bitcoin of the total of 21 million coins will be mined in the year of 2140. So we do have some time before it happens. And if you ask yourself, what will happen to the miners then when they can't be rewarded by new Bitcoins? Then don't worry, because first of all, it will probably be not in our lifetime, but who knows? And secondly, the miners will keep approving transactions, but probably instead of getting new Bitcoins, they will be rewarded by some kind of transaction fee. So the same mining verification process is expected to continue to operate. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you now have a better understanding of what the mining process is and how it works. Please let me know if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover. And don't forget to subscribe and get notification for any new content. See you soon in the next one.